guys, so आज we had to go to Dolmen Mall because इतनी बारिश हुई है, so the roads and everything is like filled with water. So I decided कि आज हम नहीं जाते, हम कल जाएंगे. And आज मैं बना रही हूँ कड़ी चावल. If you guys know me, you know it's my favorite, absolute favorite. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go and make कड़ी चावल right now. And
डॉल्मेन जाना था.
So I'm gonna let this cook for 2 or almost 3 hours. बिल्कुल लो फ्लेम पे ये बहुत अच्छे से पक जाए, तब तक हम जाके अपने दूसरा काम करते हैं. So while that's being cooked, let's take care of our room, जो मुझे कल साफ करना था, but I was so tired. No, I actually was playing game with my brother, so I ended up sleeping at 4 in the morning. Instead of cleaning it, I left it like that. So let's just clean this. Yeah. So we are halfway done. कपड़े हमने समेट लिए हैं. This part still needs to get done, and I think we are doing good so far. कुछ कपड़े मैंने यहाँ से उठा के किसी दूसरी साइड पे रख दिए, जो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पहनती, and I need to do something with that. So अभी हम जाके देखते हैं कड़ी कहाँ पहुंची, उसमें कितना रहता है. I need to fry the pakoras. I need to make the rice. So let's go. Situation, it was filled यहाँ तक और इतना कम हो गया है ये, but I'm still gonna let it cook for a while until I make the pakoras and the rice. So it's on low flame. ये literally मुझसे गिर गया था, so don't mind that.
The next day.
So you guys, we are ready. I am wearing this kurti by J Dot. बहुत पुरानी कुर्ती है, like 2 साल हो गए इसको, and I really love it because it has pockets. And I'm gonna tie my hair obviously because it's so hot and humid here. Alina, what are you wearing? Alina is wearing this white tee with these jeans. I love your jeans, Alina.
I do too. It's
I
the
love
first
it.
time I'm wearing them.
So cute. So we are ready. I'm gonna
What
just.
should I do with my hair?
I think look fine. Yeah, they look cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call in Uber or Kareem, and then we're good to go. And see you there. Alina, are you taller than me?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, she's like 9-10 years younger than me. Okay, bye. So I ended up tying my hair and wearing my glasses because I'm not quite a fan of my mascara today. बहुत ही कोई अजीब सा लगा है. So बाल इसलिए बांधे because बहुत गर्मी है और humidity है, and I cannot just stand my long hair open. I don't know how she's like, keeping that. But I really love your hair, Alina. So the Kareem is here. We're just gonna go now, and I'll see you guys there. I've said this quite a lot of times. Okay, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Mask, Alina.
Guys, I got ice cream.
You love the flavor this time because last time I got her a double chocolate fudge and she was like, I'm not gonna have it. And she didn't eat it. I had the whole thing. So this time. So I had to get a heat protected spray that is out of stock. I had to get sheet masks, how many, so that is out of stock. So now we're just gonna go and do grocery shopping.
फौजिया अपने लिए लिपस्टिक ढूंढ रही है यहाँ पे.
So I got myself a lip color. I really wanted one for so long, so bad. So I got it. मैं घर जाके आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी how it looks on me. Let's go groceries.
Buy for life.
We love me. We don't have fresh vegetables, but I just wanna have one trip of vegetables and all the groceries. तो मैं यहीं से सब कुछ ले लूँ. I don't wanna go to Delhi Colony.
So far, this is what we have. Whoa, mangoes! We're having mangoes.
Guys, we got ourselves these patties. We have burger buns at home, so आज रात हम burgers बनाने वाले हैं. I wanted beef, but Alina wanted chicken, so we have chicken. What are you getting?
दूध पीना बहुत जरूरी है तो मैं ऐसे दूध नहीं पीती. तो
Guys, just in a stupid update, I forgot to get these weighed. Ab I have to go all the way back to this fruits and vegetables aisle. Oh my god. Oh my god, my mask is dysfunctional. Let's go back to the vegetable aisle because we have to get these weighed. फिर वापस आते हैं.
guys, we're checking out.
So we are done checking out. I just had to get rose water from Saeed Ghani, who got that. Now I'm just gonna go do Uber and we're off. Guys, so we are back home. बाकी सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा struggle is to carry these. So we are back home. We are gonna rest for a while. उसके बाद देखते हैं और ये जाके burgers बनाएंगे. We eat dinner बहुत जल्दी, मतलब not बहुत जल्दी. हम बाकियों के हिसाब से बहुत जल्दी डिनर करते हैं. We eat around 7 max.
6:30.
हाँ, 6:30 और 7. तो अभी 6:30 हो रहे हैं, right? अभी 6:30 हो रहे हैं and we are starving. Fatma just got back from office, तो अभी थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करके चेंज करके I'm gonna go. We both are actually gonna go and make burgers and
आज डिनर बहुत लेट बनेगा.
आज लेट, कल भी बहुत लेट बना था because I was working, so कल
मैं इतनी भूख लगी मुझे कि मैं जाके मैं सो गई.
Yeah, so I had to wake her up. तो हम लोगों ने 9 बजे कल खाना खाया and that's like super late for us. I am not a fan of my mascara today. I have said that and I'm saying it again.
मेरा mascara अच्छा है.
You gotta go and change. Bye. Oh, also I got myself this lip color from Makeup City. Let me show it to you, okay, how it looks on my lips. Okay? This is how it looks. I love it. It looks pretty cool. I wear dark lip colors. मुझ पे light वाले सूट नहीं करते, like pink or stuff like that. I wear around red or stuff and pretty good. Guys, I also got this to make. What was that even, Fatma? What even? I need an answer.
I'm having akhi.
So guys, we are frying the patties now. आलू मैं अभी छीलने लगी हूँ because we are making fries on the side. ओवन को हमने preheat के लिए रख दिया है. Also, I got these because this time I want to make some gooey or brownies मुझे बनाने हैं. नहीं, आप इसके अंदर भी डाल सकते हैं. कुकिंग चॉकलेट इसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं ना? मैं एक दफा डाल के देखूंगी. तो ब्राउनीज के अंदर डालूंगी ये मैं, और मैं बेकिंग सोडा नहीं डालूंगी because I want them to be gooey and you know, yeah. So I got this as well. We're gonna try this out. चलो अभी I have to peel potatoes for the fries. Bye. are in the oven. I think they're gonna take around 15 to 20 minutes. जब तक ये बन जाए, we're gonna go prepare the burger.
Guys, we have our burgers.
Excited, let's have it.